Hello, and thank you for your purchase of the Nitro Sprint Rollator by Drive DeVilbiss Healthcare. The Nitro Sprint Rollator is suitable for a single user with limited mobility. It is designed to help you stay engaged in your normal daily activities, while giving you the ability to sit and rest when needed. Let's begin with a short instructional video to help you get started with your new rollator. The Nitro Sprint will come out of the box fully assembled. In your package, you'll find your rollator and 3 additional items: a removable storage bag, an accessory adapter, and operating instructions. Prior to assembly, please read all warnings and cautions listed in the manual and familiarize yourself with the safety symbols. To unfold the Nitro Sprint Rollator, position the rollator on all 4 wheels, making sure the wheels rest firmly on the ground. Hold each hand grip and pull outward until the rollator unlocks and opens fully. Gently push down on each side of the seat rails near the frame to ensure the unit is fully open. An audible click confirms that the latches are secure and the seat is fully engaged in a locked position. To adjust the handle height, press the height adjustment button and pull the hand grip upwards at the same time. Release the button once the desired height is reached. An audible click confirms the handle tube is secure in the locked position. Repeat this process until the desired height is reached for both handles. Refer to the numbering system to ensure both handles are adjusted to the same height. To adjust the backrest, turn the backrest adjustment knob counterclockwise to loosen. Slide the backrest to the desired height. Then, turn the knob clockwise to tighten. To attach the storage bag to the rollator, attach the bag mounting clips to the desired mounting points. For your convenience, the storage bag can be mounted in 3 different positions on the rollator. To take the storage bag on the go, you can easily remove the storage bag and attach the shoulder strap using the clips located on either side of the storage bag. When braking or locking the brakes on your Nitro Sprint Rollator, it is important they are used correctly and adjusted properly. To adjust the system to your personal preferences, please follow the instructions we are about to show. You may need to adjust the handbrake systems from time to time as they will wear with normal use. Your Nitro Sprint Rollator braking system has 3 positions: free rolling position, slow down position, and parking brake position. The free rolling position allows the rollator to roll freely. The slow down position provides a level of resistance when walking. The parking brake position is used when sitting or to prevent it from rolling. To brake, squeeze the brake levers upwards to apply the brakes while the rollator is in motion. Always brake slowly and steadily. To engage the slow down brake, push the brake lever down 1 position from the free rolling position into the slow down position while the rollator is stationary. The slow down position is defined on the rollator with a yellow symbol. An audible click confirms the slow down brake is engaged. To disengage the slow down brake, pull both brake levers upwards 1 position from the slow down position into a free rolling position. To adjust the amount of resistance on the slow down brake, push both brake levers into the slow down position and loosen the black locking wheel before adjusting the lower thumb wheel. Turn the black locking wheel counterclockwise to unlock the adjustment. Adjust the lower thumb wheel by half of a turn clockwise to apply less resistance, or by half of a turn counterclockwise to provide more resistance. Make the same adjustment on both sides to ensure that the resistance is balanced. Push the rollator forwards to test the resistance and adjust further if required. Once the preferred resistance has been reached, turn the black locking wheel clockwise to lock the adjustment. You are now ready to use the slow down feature. To engage the parking brake, push the brake levers down 2 positions from the free rolling position. The parking brake position is defined on the rollator with a red symbol. To use the rollator seat, ensure the rollator is in the fully open position and all 4 wheels are on a flat, solid surface. Ensure the brakes are in the park position. Turn around to sit on the seat. Sit straight up and do not lean backwards. Do not move the rollator while seated. To fold, pull the seat upwards using the seat strap handle. The rollator can now be folded completely and secured by pushing the hand grips together. An audible click confirms that the under-seat locking mechanism is engaged and the Nitro Sprint is locked in the folded position. To use the curb assist feature when approaching a curb, step, or transition, Firmly grasp both hand grips and place your foot on the curb assist, located on the inside of the rear wheel. While securely grasping both hand grips, gently apply pressure to the curb assist with your foot. Bring the front wheels of the rollator to a slight angled position just above the curb or step, pushing forward if necessary. Once in a stable position, gently release your foot from the curb assist, allowing the front wheels to rest on the elevated surface. Push the rollator forward as the rear wheels approach the curb step or transition, and lift the rear wheels onto the elevated surface. Proceed with walking once you observe that all 4 wheels are safely past the curb, step, or transition. Clean regularly by hand with a damp cloth with mild detergent only. Do not use aggressive detergents such as chlorine, bleach, or abrasive cleaners. Thank you again for your purchase of the Nitro Sprint Rollator. To view all available accessories for this product, or to view our full product line, visit www.drivemedical.com.